friends. I'm weird. I always want to start out with hi, but I really should start out with the good morning thing, but sometimes I forget. Anyways, I just have to preface this here, you know. I'm kind of grungy today. I'm wearing my slippers, as I have worn my slippers several times in these videos. And just an old sweatshirt because it's kind of cold in my basement here. And, you know, when you're teaching at home, just like when you're learning at home, you don't always, you can leave your jammies on if you want, or you can get up and get dressed. And today I'm going to be lazy. So here we go. We're going to get started with our flag song. This is our flag, red, white, and blue. Before it we stand so proud and true. And today we have some friends joining us. Zoom in on their faces. Hello, hello. So that means we are going to do what song, people? Yes, Hello Neighbor. Here we go.
Oh boy.
Hope you have a neighbor at home or a sibling that you can do this with, or your mom or dad. Kind of fun. And it didn't play. Oh, sorry. Hello, neighbor. What do you say? It's going to be a happy day. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a bump and turn around. Hello, neighbor, what do you say? It's going to be a happy day. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a bump and turn around. Hello, neighbor, what do you say? It's going to be a happy day. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a bump and turn around. Hello, neighbor, what do you say? It's going to be a happy day. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a bump and then sit down. Woo! All right, calendar time. Here we are. Are you ready out there? Who can tell me what month it is, what month it is, what month it is? Who can tell me what month it is? It starts with letter A. That's right, it's April. Who can tell me what day it is, what day it is, what day it is? Who can tell me what day it is? It comes after Wednesday. Thursday is right. Very good. All right, friends, today I want you to figure out the pattern on your own. And I won't be able to see you, but I thought, you know how when we're at school, we usually talk about the signs for each of those things. So the sign for flower is you take your fingers like this, but then you move them from one nostril to the other, like you're smelling a flower. And then the sign for snail is you put your arm up, you make a little snail, and it creeps and crawls right over your arm. So, anyways, what you need to do is show me your sign if we're going to have the flower or the snail for our pattern. I bet you're all making a little snail crawl up your arm because it is a snail. And you are all so smart. So, first we're going to say our pattern with our sign language, and then we're going to count. Here we go. Flower, snail, snail, flower, snail, snail, flower, snail, snail. Very good. And it is time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 9th day of April today. Yay. All right. So we are going to do some work on our letters. And oh my gosh, where did I put my letter cards? They're way over here. Oh no. Oh. Sorry about that, friends. So, we got a bunch of letters here. We got to find the letter that we're supposed to do today. Here it is. An L. Remembers how to make the L in sign language. Very good. It looks like an L, right? An L says ooh. An L says ooh. All the letters make a sound. The L says ooh. And L is for lion. And L, the song that we have up on our board at school for L is leaves. And they're not really falling down right now, but we're going to sing it anyway. So make your leave. Leaves, leaves falling down, falling to the ground. Red and yellow, orange and brown, falling to the ground. And you know what? Nobody sent me any song requests, but I am going to do a couple songs on my own that I think we should sing. So this song starts with a letter that makes the f sound. That's right, the letter F. And what song do we know that starts about an F? Ready? Ah, went the little green frog one day. Ah, went the little green frog one day. Ah, went the little green frog one day. Ah, 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 ah. All the other frogs went fa-da-dee-ah-dee-oh, fa-da-dee-ah-dee-oh, fa-da-dee-ah-dee-oh. All the other frogs went fa-da-dee-ah-dee-oh, except for the little green frog who went ah, 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 ah. All right, now I have another song, and the first letter of this song makes a K sound. What letter is that? K. And we do know 2 letters that make a K sound. But I'm thinking of this letter, K. That's right. And we're going to do the little red caboose today. Little red caboose, hoo-hoo. Little red caboose, hoo-hoo. Little red caboose behind the train. Smokestack on your back, coming down the track. Little red caboose behind the train. Woo-hoo. All right, now it's time to get back. Oh, I think this is what we're going to do right now. Since we just talked about K. Who's this guy that starts with the letter C? Cookie Monster. Well, Cookie Monster's coming to visit us today, and hi, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me, 'cause cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. And me hungry for cookies! Me hungry! Oh, Teacher Stephanie, can we have some cookies? Why, sure, Cookie Monster. This will be a very good way for our friends out there in Roseville and St. Paul to practice their colors. So normally, everybody would get a cookie to feed Cookie. But I'm going to hold up a cookie, and if you can tell me the color, Cookie, you think you can tell them the color, and then you can eat it. Oh, I'll tell you the color as long as I can eat it. Ooh, blue cookie. Nom, 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 nom. Me like blue cookie. Oh, but there's other colors, right, teacher? Yes. Ooh, orange cookie. Yes, me want an orange cookie. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, that's a white cookie. White is boring, Teacher Stephanie. Okay, Do you want to eat it, Cookie, or no?
Oh, I want to eat it, yes. No, 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 no. I just said it was a boring color. It's a good color, though. I know you already fed me my favorite color.
Well, how about this color, Cookie?
Oh, friends, I know there's lots of friends out there who love the color red. I'm getting still hungry, teacher. Still hungry. Green, green. No, 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 no.
Oh, did we do this one yet, Cookie?
Oh, this is the best kind. Chocolate chip cookie. Yes, they all have chocolate chips, but a brown chocolate chip cookie is the best. Nom, 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 nom.
Where's that cut?
Yes, yellow, yellow. Nom, 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 nom.
All right, out there in TV land, this color is kind of hard to see. It's kind of light. It is. Can you tell, Cookie?
Yes, it's pink, pink. Nom, 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 nom.
And I think there's one color. Oh, there's a couple left. Purple. Purple, right?
Yeah, give me it, give me. Nom, 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 nom.
And black, yes. Cookie Monster.
Black. Nom, 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 nom. Oh. Well, me kind of full now, teacher.
All right, Cookie. Thanks for coming to help us review our colors. I know all my friends out there know their colors, but it's always good to practice, right?
Yes, practice is good, especially when me get to eat the cookies. Bye-bye.
All right, bye, Cookie. All right, got to do a couple more things, and the first is that we need to practice writing our letters. So I kind of made our board with our lines on it to write our letters. Now, take out your marker. And if you have paper at home and you would like, you can draw your own line on your paper. Remember, I did tell you you could bring paper today. So let's make a line, and then you make a line down here, and you make your little dashed line in between. And then you have your writing line. So today we're going to work on the letter L, because that is our letter, and then we're also just going to go back and practice the letter E. So remember, zoom. You're going to take your two fingers and pinch, and then you pinch your marker in between, and then at the back it rests, just like this. So to do our uppercase letter L, you start right at the top line, and you make a straight line down, and then you go over. Start at the top, straight line down, over. Top, down, over. And the lowercase L, oh, I don't know, do you think they can do it out there? Yes. You just start at the top, draw a line down, kind of like a 1, straight line down, straight line down. All right, now I said we're going to practice our letter E's. So pinch your marker. We're going to go down to our road down here. And for an E, we make a straight line all the way down. You bounce to the top and draw a line over. And you draw a line over in the middle and one on the bottom. So start at the top, straight line down, back, over, in the middle, over, and the bottom, over. And let's do one more. Straight line down, bounce to the top, straight line over, into the middle, and over. Very good. Now we have to practice making that tricky lowercase e. And I know these are tricky, but I bet you can all try. So pinch your marker, and this time you're going to start at the middle line, and you make a little line. Oops, I'm sorry, friends, that was not right. We start below, in between the middle, the dotted line, and the bottom, so kind of in the middle. And you make a little line over, and then you make a circle. So you make a little line over and make a circle and stop right before you get to the end. So let's try 2 more of those. Straight line over, circle around, stop. Straight line over, circle around, and stop. So that is how you make your lowercase e's. So, I know we should have talked about that on letter E day, but sometimes I'm kind of sleepy over here, and I don't always have my thinking cap on. So I got it on now, and so we thought we'd try. But your assignment for today is the letter L, and we said leaf starts with L, also lion. Back here, I have this rain cloud. What's coming out of the rain cloud? Lightning. That starts with L. And speaking of light, the lights on your ceiling, a light bulb, a lamp, pretty much anything that gives you light starts with an L as well. So think of some of those L words. Oh, here's a really good word. Love. Love starts with an L too. So see what you can come up with. Oh. So I'm going to show you what we're going to make for art today. So you can get a piece of white paper. Now, if we were at school, we would do fork painting. And I don't know if you have yellow paint at your house, or so I found a different way that we're going to do this. But if you had a fork and yellow paint, you could dip your fork in the yellow paint and make a circle on your paper. But we're going to do it with a yellow marker. And now remember, we're doing Easter items this week, so think in your head what we might make. So I'm just kind of making a whole bunch of yellow lines, and I'm going to make them into the shape of a circle.
Should I zoom in?
Yes, please zoom in. Sorry.
There we go.
I'll put a little more on here. Okay? So, there is that. Now, I'm going to take an orange marker. And in the middle, I'm going to make a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to color that in. Any ideas what we're making yet? Think of Easter and what might come out of an Easter egg. I know, jelly beans, right? Well, now, so I got a yellow orange triangle. 1, 2 little eyes. And then 1. So what do you think? Yep, it's a little chick. So that is your little art project for the day, is to make a chick. All right. So you can continue to feed your bunnies at home. Count those carrots. See how many carrots your bunny might want to eat. Make a chick. Yes, patterning is still important. You can still keep making patterns at home for me. And see what kind of patterns you can come up all on your own. Practice writing your letter E's and your letter L's and find things that start with a letter L. And that is about it. Let's close today by singing. We're going to sing something whose first letters has a H sound. All right. Horsey, horsey, on our way. We've been together for many a day. So let your tail go swish as the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. And we're going up a hill. Horsey, horsey, on our way. We've been together for many a day. So let your tail go swish as the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. And what happens when we go down the hill? Hang on! Horsey, horsey, on our way. We've been together for many a day. So let your tail go swish as wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Here we are, clip-clopping into your barn. Goodbye. friends.